to my channel. Today we're making a boat. Here's the boat. We're just making the boat and I'll just flip the camera for you guys. Here is the boat. It is making it. It's for our farm. Like we can put it in the fish pond and boat around there with the fishes. He's cutting some wood. This is the boat that we're gonna use. Tito already cut it. Then he's cutting like this. So like a lot. You can put it here and there for 2 person or 3. This is how you make a boat, guys. You just need wood. So don't throw your woods away. You need to recycle it. There. It's finished. We have some silicone. What's this called? Silicone thingy? I don't know. But yeah, we're making it. So I'm gonna show you a quick montage. Hiro is now measuring the boat. The wood, I meant. It's not the boat. 170. The other side.
Ano naman tumba naman isang kuno ah.
Isang 170.
Pintura ko ano.
There. Alright. What is he gonna do next? So I'm gonna make some. Keeps measuring.
Sure.
Now it's done. We're done with this wood. Paliit. Some more wood. And then I don't know why this is not pointy, but I guess this is what it's like, or I thought it was pointy like this, like a triangle thing here, but there's nothing. So yeah.
Sealant.
I'm now helping Tito. White sealant. I saw it will. Okay. Side ups. Now we took it off. Up. Holding it. Okay. Oh! Amo yung dire sa dalom to? Amo yung dire ka magsakay or dire? Now that there's 2 of them now. This is just smoothing it out. Smooth. Smoothing it out. Also here, this is also smooth. Also here.
Smooth as my skin.
Smooth as my skin. Gonna put some more. Also there. Tito is now putting it inside there, tiny there, using a nail. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to use a nail so it will fit, not your hands, because you know Tito's hands is very big. Also there, just gonna smooth it out. I think that's smooth. So this is how you make a boat, guys. All you need is wood and some, tools and some silicone thing. I don't know what that's called, but it's okay. It's just, it looks like a silicone though. White silicone, I guess. Oh, no, it's consider. What's it? Okay. Look at it. And what this is. Just this though. But I can't see it, but whatever. Now Vito is putting another wood on top of the other smaller wood and took it off again. Oh! Looks like a horn. Does it? Looks like the horn of a rhino. This is their nose. And then that's the horn. Yep.
Yatid to, yatid. Lalong.
There you go. Slowly put it down. Tito, that's why Jungjung is taking the lead of me, because I'm done helping and then it's his turn. That's like almost the finishing touch. Now that it has cover, this is what it looks now. It's really nice. Now, some bolts. We're just gonna cover up this one later.
Guy. Hindi. Diyan kas punuan mo. Siya nga basta punuan na yan. Ang mga laway.
Nailing it up. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you get my next videos. See you guys. Peace!